Hi guys, Jamie from Anchor Vans here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth of a 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportif. So what we have right here is the very simple entry screen when you turn the car on. All you need to do to actually access the radio is turn the radio on, and then if you want to connect to your Bluetooth, just simply press the tail button, scan the devices, so we press OK. Now you can see it's searching for Bluetooth devices. It's found mine, so we click OK to that. Thank you very much. And then it will ask me to confirm the code on my phone is similar to the one, if not similar, it's exactly the same as the one on the dashboard, which it is, so we pair that. It's now connecting. I'm not going to allow it to sync my contacts. And then we are connected fully, and then to choose that system to listen to music, we simply press media. Turn it up, there's music. Okay, pause that on my phone, turn that off. And then to delete this, all you need to do, go to Tell, scan all the way down to the bottom, and there should be del.device, which means delete.device. And then we click that again. Are you sure you want to delete my phone? Of course I do. There we go. BT link lost. Thank you very much. And then it's called My Car on the system or the device, so we all need to do delete my car, forget this device. That's a simple way to add and delete a device on a Vauxhall Vivaro 2018.